So I think parents can talk to their teens and help them engage in the process of reflecting on questions like, when do you feel most comfortable? When do you feel like you can be most yourself? Those kinds of questions can allow youth to start constructing for themselves a better sense of who they are or how they'd like to see themselves. In thinking about youth of color, I think it's also important to understand that a racial or ethnic identity is just one possible dimension of our multidimensional and complex selves. So just because you're a member of a racial or ethnic minority group does not necessarily mean that your race or your cultural background is salient to you. So for some youth, it may be their, involvement in a sports team, or it may be their in some sort of club or their religious involvement that is more salient to them as their identity. So I think it's important for parents to understand too that just because we're talking about a teen of color does not necessarily mean that race or culture is going to be the most salient way in which they view themselves. I think all teens, on one hand, want to have a strong sense of belonging to some sort of social group, and that is important. We know that when youth feel like they belong, that is important for just overall well-being. But at the same time, youth also want to feel like individuals, and they want to be seen as individual people with unique interests and hobbies and talents. So being able to provide opportunities for youth to have each of those at the same time is really important.